Homeschooling online requires a lot of dedication and strict scheduling to ensure that the required work gets done. Internet classes, which are often scheduled at specific times during the day, must be attended regularly. In addition, tests are generally taken online and grades posted or delivered via email. Some of the most popular reasons to enroll in homeschooling online is scheduling, childhood development, or simply the desire to learn at home. For adults who enroll in homeschooling online, they often do so in order to be able to earn their degree while working full-time. In this scenario, it would be very difficult to attend regular classes. For children, the decision to enroll in homeschooling online is much different. If you feel that your child needs to learn at his or her own pace, and you want to make sure that he or she receives personal attention to their education, homeschooling online may be the answer. If your child has a difficult time socializing with other children and a physician feels that homeschooling online would be better for your child's well-being, then you may want to consider online enrollment. It's important to realize that homeschooling online will not permit your child with the same socializing skills that are acquired while attending regular classes. Therefore, your child must find other ways to meet new people and adopt good social skills. This may include being a part of theatrical productions, field trips, library readings, youth groups, and other gatherings. One of the many benefits to homeschooling, on the other hand, is being active in who your child socializes with and ensuring that the influences are acceptable. Before making the final decision to enroll your child in online homeschooling, make sure that he or she is in agreement. Many parents forget to include the child in such an important decision, but their opinion cannot be overlooked. In order for a child to learn well, the environment must be one that is desired. Many children want to attend regular school because, with homeschooling online, they may feel that they are missing an important aspect of their childhood. This is why developing social activities is so important, and is critical to your child's growth and development. As a final thought, online homeschooling is not expensive in and of itself. However, if your child enrolls in an online homeschool, one parent will have to stay at home while the other works. If your home can handle one income, homeschooling may work perfectly. If not, you will have to work out a strict schedule so that someone is always at home to ensure the child's learning is not compromised while adjusting your work schedule around their education. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.